Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to use NZTA official WOF job types in MechanicDesk to create and finish a digital WOF certification. First, we need to enter the inspection number by going to Settings, clicking on the Employees tab, and then click on the employee's name. Toward the bottom of the Employee Details section, enter the inspector number. Every certified WOF inspector should have one. Now we can create a new job for the employee. Click on Jobs, then the New Job link from the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Enter the relevant details for vehicle owner and vehicle, and in the job section, click inside the Job Types field to search for WOF NZTA Official by typing the first few letters. Click on the search result to enter it into the field. Click on Save to proceed to the next step. Listed on the resultant job sheet is a section labelled Checksheet and a link to the right to open WOF Checksheet. Click on the link to open the checksheet ready to edit. Enter any required information into the available fields and check the relevant boxes in the external inspection area. For demonstration purposes, we will mark one item as having failed in order to require a re-inspection later. Click on Finish to complete the process. Note that you may see a prompt if anything has been overlooked, in this case that the VIN number has not been confirmed. Click the Finish button again and check that the listed details is the correct information. Click on OK to continue. To access the generated report, look in the Photos Documents section for the PDF file and click on the Open link to view it. Another option is to click on the Print tab at the top of the job sheet and select Print WOF Checksheet Report. This PDF form can be printed off and given to the customer and serves as the official NZTA certification. To perform a re-inspection, return to the original job sheet, click on the Add Sub-Job link in the top left corner of the sheet and select Create New WOF Re-inspection. All the relevant job info will already be filled. Click on Save and then the Yes Continue button to proceed. Again, in the Checksheet section is the link to open the WOF Checksheet. All the results of the last inspection will be displayed, and we can now update the failed value with a tick. Note that for this re-inspection, both the WOF label number and the system authorization number are required. Click on Finish and then OK once you are satisfied all the details are correct. Access the official checksheet as before to now see that the inspection has passed. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk support team.